Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you an entrepreneur or a digital enthusiast? Then this video is definitely for you. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that can truly transform your online earnings. We are diving deep into the art of affiliate marketing and how you can boost your earnings today. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to supercharge your income or a newbie eager to unlock the secrets of online success, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss a single detail. But before starting the video, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you will gain anything from the video, do like it and comment to let us know. Affiliate marketing has become one of the most popular and effective ways to monetize your online presence, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer. This strategy allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. But what separates successful affiliate marketers from the rest? Just imagine you're sitting on a beach, sipping a refreshing drink, as your bank account fills up with a steady stream of passive income. Sounds like a dream, right? Well guys, that dream can become a reality with the art of affiliate marketing. Actually, affiliate marketing is the ultimate online money-making method that allows you to earn commissions by simply recommending products or services you love. But what's the best part of affiliate marketing? Is anyone, yes, I repeat, anyone can become a successful affiliate marketer. You don't need a fancy degree or a massive following. All you need is the right knowledge, strategies, and a burning desire to boost your earnings. So today in this video, we'll explore the secrets to mastering this art and maximizing your earnings. Without further ado, let's dive in and discover how you can boost your earnings through the power of affiliate marketing. Let's go. Number 1, understanding affiliate marketing. In the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge is power. In order to begin our journey, let's understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Actually, it starts with finding an affiliate program that aligns with your niche and audience. These programs provide you with unique tracking links, so whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. But remember, trust and authenticity are crucial factors here. So you have to promote only those products or services that you genuinely believe in. Number 2, building your audience. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to build your audience. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in building a loyal and engaged audience. After all, the larger your audience, the greater your chances of earning substantial commissions. So focus on creating quality content that resonates with your target audience. Be consistent, provide value, and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. This will naturally attract more viewers and potential buyers. Number 3, strategic product selection. Guys, when you're in affiliate marketing, you must keep in mind that not every product or service is suitable for you to promote. You must strategically select products that complement your content and appeal to your audience. Conduct thorough research to identify the needs and desires of your followers. Also, look for high-quality products with good affiliate programs and competitive commission rates. Remember, the value you provide through your recommendations builds trust and credibility. Number 4, honest and compelling content. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce, which is content creation. You need to create your content in such a way that it should be informative, entertaining, and persuasive. Try as much to showcase the benefits and features of the products you're promoting, highlighting how they can solve your audience's problems or enhance their lives. Just be transparent about the pros and cons and always provide honest reviews. Your authenticity will go a long way in building trust with your viewers. Number 5. Utilizing multiple platforms. Guys, you need not limit yourself to just one platform. You should utilize the power of multiple channels to expand your reach, whether it's your blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media profiles. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect with different audiences. Adapt your content to suit each platform's format and engage with your audience through comments, messages, or live sessions. The more visibility you gain, the higher your chances of driving sales. Number 6. Optimizing SEO and keywords. Guys, if you want to boost your affiliate marketing earnings, then you must be able to search engine results. Actually, search engine optimization plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your content. Hence, try to research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally in your titles, descriptions, and articles. This will help search engines understand your content's relevance and rank it higher, attracting more potential buyers to your recommendations. Number 7. Tracking and analyzing performance. Alright, as an affiliate marketer, you need to keep a close eye on your performance. Certainly, most affiliate programs provide you with the tracking tools and analytics to monitor your conversions, click-through rates, and earnings. Hence, you should analyze this data to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Also, refine your strategies based on these insights to optimize your results and continually enhance your earning potential. Number 8. Building strong relationships with vendors. Remember guys, affiliate marketing is not just about promoting products, but it is actually more than that. Actually, it's about building relationships with vendors and merchants as well. So take your time to connect with the affiliate managers or representatives from the companies you're promoting. Establishing a rapport can lead to exclusive offers, higher commissions, and even collaborations. Remember, strong vendor relationships can significantly boost your earnings and open doors to exciting opportunities. Number 9. Creating irresistible bonuses and incentives. Guys, if you're willing to entice your audience and increase conversions, consider offering bonuses and incentives for purchasing through your affiliate links. These can be in the form of exclusive discounts, additional content, or even personalized consultations. By providing extra value, you make it more enticing for your audience to make a purchase through your recommendation, which will ultimately drive your affiliate earnings upwards. Number 10. Continuous learning and adaptation. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, staying ahead requires continuous learning and adaptation. Hence, you need to keep yourself updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in affiliate marketing. And for that, you can join forums, attend webinars, and follow industry experts in order to expand your knowledge. You can also experiment with new approaches, test different promotional techniques, and stay flexible in adapting your methods based on the ever-changing needs of your audience. Number 11. Patience and persistence. Guys, if you think affiliate marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme, then you are taking it wrong. Actually, it takes much more time, effort, and persistence to see significant results. So you should not get discouraged if you don't see immediate success. Just keep pushing forward, consistently producing high-quality content, and refining your strategies. With patience and persistence, you'll gradually build a sustainable income stream that can potentially surpass your expectations. Number 12. Diversifying your income stream. Guys, if you want to maximize your earnings and protect yourself from relying too heavily on a single affiliate program or source, it's essential to diversify your income stream. You need to explore different affiliate programs and networks that align with your niche. Also consider promoting a variety of products and services to cater to the diverse needs of your audience. By diversifying your income stream, you'll mitigate risks and create more opportunities for earning. Number 13, harnessing the power of email marketing. Basically, email marketing is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. So you should build an email list of engaged subscribers who are interested in your niche. You can also use enticing lead magnets and opt-in forms on your website or landing pages to capture email addresses. Once you have a list, regularly send valuable content, product recommendations, and exclusive offers to your subscribers. Actually, email marketing allows you to establish a deeper connection with your audience and drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Number 14, seeking support and networking. Guys, when you're in affiliate marketing, you should not underestimate the power of networking and seeking support within the affiliate marketing community. Just try to connect with fellow affiliate marketers, attend industry events or conferences, and join online communities or forums. By networking, you can learn from others, gain insights, and potentially collaborate on projects. The support and guidance of like-minded individuals can be invaluable on your affiliate marketing journey. And there you have it, the art of affiliate marketing and how you can boost your earnings today. Now it's time for you to apply the knowledge and strategies you've learned today. Remember, it all starts with understanding the fundamentals, building a loyal audience, creating compelling content, and strategically selecting products. By leveraging multiple platforms, optimizing SEO, tracking your performance, and fostering strong relationships, you can take your affiliate marketing game to new heights. If you are a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. We hope you're feeling inspired, equipped, and ready to take action. Remember, the art of affiliate marketing is not just about earning money, it's about creating a lifestyle of freedom and abundance. Guys, affiliate marketing basically is a journey, and your success will be a result of your dedication and determination. So take a leap of faith, embrace the challenges, and watch your earnings soar. Remember, you have the power to turn your dreams into reality. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in the digital world. Also, press the bell icon below there so that you get the new updates of our videos which we upload to our channel. Until next time, enjoy affiliate marketing and may your earnings soar. We will catch you in the next video.